Hey, what's up, gang? It's Brandy. I'm here with another video. In today's video, if you have not guessed it, is a wig tutorial. Yes, a wig tutorial. But if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Ring the bell so you can get the latest video uploads and the tea on beauty, fashion, makeup, lifestyle, and anything else you're looking to do. Now, in today's video, before we get into today's video, I want to say I have reached my 500 subscribers. Yes, I have hit the halfway point, 500 subscribers. I'm going to do a shout out video for that one and list all of the people, not all, but some of the people who have gotten me to the point where I'm at today. So 500 subscribers, whoop, whoop, yay. That's where I'm at. So I want to get to 1,000, you guys, by the end of the summer or like in the next 1 to 2 months. So that is the goal. So give me a thumbs up, like, share this video with your friends and family, and let's get right into this video. Now, this here was sent to me by Curlyme, and this is how it came in the box. The only thing you got in the box actually was a wig cap, and this one was a little too light for me for what I was doing, and so we're gonna put that back in the box. But very nice hair. Let's get it out. Came in this little zipper bag, and this is an 8A Mongolian Kinky Curly 18-inch wig. So let's take it out. And so I wrote down what it actually is. So it's Curlyme hair, Mongolian human version hair, kinky curly lace front. 18 inches, and it's a 13x4 and 130% density. Because I have a small, long head, too much hair gets to be too bushy and swallows my whole face. And so I have to have less density, unfortunate for me. But this is what it looks like. You can see lace front. It has 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps. And you can see, let's see the construction. That's your 13x4 lace, kinky curly. And I was trying something a little bit different, so this is a darker hair for me. So let's get right into this. And I already have the straps adjusted to where I wanted. I was actually going to put a band on it, but I was like, it's kind of tight with this. So if you can see, let's pull it. Now, let's get really close. You can see this looks really good. And I don't even have it tagged down yet. But you can see construction of it. It has not that much over the ear, so it's probably easy to cut. Now, I'm not an expert on lace front wigs. Never claimed to be, but this is the, let's see. This is the parting space. You guys can see that. It looks really good. And if I would have got 180 density, which is what most people get, my head probably would look this big. Look this big. So this is enough hair for me. And I was gonna do something, usually in the spring, I was gonna do something different. Usually in the spring, I do blonde. But I did a little survey on my Facebook channel. I don't think I did it on my YouTube channel, where I did a vote. I had like 5 different looks going last year. I had red hair, I had blonde hair, I had dark brown hair, highlights in the front. So I had like 5 different looks going. So this was the color, or close to the color, that people chose for me to, that they like the best on me. Just put it like that. They like this one the best. And so this is what this looks like. Not too bad. And so we're actually gonna tag this up. I forgot to bring my clip over, but I'm gonna tag this up, and I'm gonna go off camera because, like I said, I am not an expert on lace front wigs, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use. I got my baby hair brush, Eco Styling Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel, some water, or this is some conditioner and water mixed together, plain water. And I always see Disastrous Beauty. She always uses this Glam. Got to be Glam Force to tag hers down. And I got my my wax stick. And I just hit the deck and some Cantu curling cream. So these are the products that I'm going to use. And I also got my hot coat. So once you get it on, you got to make it look tight. So we're going to go off camera, tag this down, and I'm going to show you guys how this looks. So stay tuned. Okay, and without further ado, I did get it tagged on. It took me a minute to cut the lace off to make it not look like a straight cut, but I do like the color. I like the length. I like the curl. So we're gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it back off and style it. So we'll be back. All right, so give it 5 minutes. Okay. All right, now we got a comb, so let's see what we can do here. We want it on the side. I'm usually not a middle part person, but if I put it on the side, I'm definitely gonna have to put the wax stick in it and put some baby hairs on it. I don't know, I kind of like it in the middle, so hold on, let's see. Let's see if we can get the middle. We'll do the middle. I haven't had a middle part in forever. Forever, darling. No middle part. Okay. Alright. So, I'm cool with that. Don't like my part to look too straight, because it is Mongolian Kinky Curly, so you want it to look like you got a big bushel of hair. And so that's what we're going to do. Now, I'm not a big baby hair fan either, so let's see. But we are gonna smooth it down a little bit. And I did have a wax stick over here. I haven't used any of these products before, so don't mess around with the wax stick. Don't do too much of that. So we're gonna, try and improvise on what I actually do. And so I'm gonna take a little bit, and if you see, I'm baby haired myself, so I have like lots of baby hair myself. So me, and it didn't say it came with baby hairs, but I'm gonna do a little something with my own little stinky little baby hairs. Just a little something. Because I am a baby hair. I've got baby hairs all over the place. Me and the baby hairs. We just want them to look like they man. Because some of mine is out. And I have tons of baby hairs, and I don't like that. So we're gonna, okay. I don't know if that's the best gel for the baby hairs, but that's working for me. I'm a low maintenance chick. And let's turn this down because it feels like it's a little bit hot. So we're gonna press it just to get the part together. That's if I didn't turn it off. That's if I didn't turn it off. Okay. Just so we don't have any poofy schmoofies. I don't think I really need the wax stick. So let's see. Because if I would have got 100 180 or 150 or 180, whatever this came in. I'm sure, I think it was like 130, 150, 180. My head would have been swallowed in Mongolian curls. And so we're gonna get that part a little bit better. I'm not feeling it. So, hold on. Like I said, I just want to go. I like the dark color even. Like I said, it wasn't, but eventually I probably will dye it, and I'm gonna get that wax stick, which hit to the floor. And this is Tigi Beadhead wax stick, and I got this off of Amazon. The Eco Styling Gel you can get anywhere, Walmart. Where did I get mine? Dollar General. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this, so when it'll lay down a little bit. Okay. Too much at any store. Same with the curling, coconut curling cream. I got this at the Dollar General. I'm pretty sure Walmart sells it. Everybody sells it. I'm gonna turn this up just a little. Just to lay it down. And like I said, eventually I might do the blonde dye it, see how it takes, and do it in blonde. And I still got this puff going right here, so we're gonna have to dig in here and get that. And I want it to look as natural as it can. And it doesn't look bad. Let's get in there. Just to smooth it down. So I don't want to take too much of the puff out, but just to smooth it down a little. Okay, all right, I think that's good. And then I'm going to spray a little bit of just regular water on it, just to tone the curls down a little. Give me that bohemian Coachella vibe. And I was gonna put some mousse on it, but I think this is all we're gonna do too. So, still this hump right here. You might have to add a little mousse right there, or tie it down a little, but maybe I'm just seeing things. Maybe I'm just saying things. What y'all think? I think we can put a little more heat in it. And I'm not even feeling that I need to put any like foundation in there. Not really. So I'm gonna leave it just like that. It's not like you're gonna be on top of my head, but this is what it looks like, you guys. And this again is it's Curlyme collection. And let me just read what it is. This, I think it was like $100 on their website. I got it on their website. They had a coupon code for it as well. We're gonna turn off the curling iron. We don't really need that. It had a coupon code, and this is again, it's Curlyme Mongolian Human Virgin Hair Kinky Curly Lace Front. 18 inches, 13 by 4, so it comes down to about right here. So you can wear it in a part, wear it up, and it's 130% density, seeing as I have a smaller head, longer, and I'm pretty tall. I'm like 5'7", so let me move back so you guys can see where it's actually at. And this is normally the length that I get, 18 inches. Is the hair I get. Anything other than that is way too long for me, makes me hot, but I am digging this. So this is the end product. This is super cute. I love it. Now this came in like had some already color to it, blonde. Oh, this would be rocking. So this is the wig. And again, leave all your comments and suggestions below. This is Curlyme, Mongolian Kinky Curly hair from their website. You can get it. I'm not sure if it's sold on any other website. They had a coupon code. I'll leave that in the description box below. And if you have any more comments or suggestions, put them all below. And again, I'm at my 500 subscribers. Yay, yay. Thank you guys. I'll do a shout out video for you guys who have helped me come along the way. I thank you, love you, appreciate all your support. And if you're looking for any more tips in beauty and fashion, makeup, lifestyle, please stay tuned. Get all the tea here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta!